Okay, let's take a look over at this problem. Um, the average yearly Medicare hospital insurance benefit per person was 3,022 in recent year. If the benefits are normally disputed with a standard deviation of 510, find a probability that the mean benefit for a random sample of 30 patients is less than 3,100. Now, always our reading on these is to determine if we're talking about one whatever or many whatevers. In this case, we're talking about people. And notice it says in a random sample of 30 patients. So we're talking about many whatevers, which means here's our forms for the one whatever, and here's our forms for the many whatever. So we're talking about these down here. So let's write down what's given. Mean is 3022. Standard deviation is 510. N, we're talking about 30 patients, so N is 30. And we're looking at X is less than 3,100. Now, our first form is one we're using because it's less than. Whatever number follows your less than symbol is your A, so A is 3,100. We'll be plugging into this first one here. So equals norm dist A, which is 3,100, comma mean, which is 3022, comma standard deviation, which is 510, divided by square root of 30, comma true. Take it 2 decimal places, or change the percent, then take it 2 decimal places. So I'd have 79.89% as my final answer.